The most important secret trick to improve your life instantly, things are not what they are. They are. The difference wasn't the pain. Both had the same pain. The difference was sometimes it's not the circumstances that breaks us. It's actually there was an experiment that was done in psychology that shook the entire world of psychology. Different perspectives don't change your reality. They change your reality. The most important secret trick to improve your life instantly and make your life problem proof is something you're about to discover. First, look at this video carefully. Choose your frame of reference and the actual value is actually transformed. It doesn't matter what you're looking at. What matters is from where you're looking at. So once I was in my bachelor's, so I met my friend's friend who was a little knack. You can't do but notice her. So she would always have a secret in her hand, but she would never smoke. So which made me even more curious. And I asked her, and I said, I know that you never smoke, then why do you keep this secret in your hand always? It is not something cool to flex, right? And she said, see, that's what you kids don't understand. And I went into my mind and I said, you don't seem like an auntie. Then she said, when I go with my friends to party and we have drinks and all, the last thing you want to do is just talk, because that is so tiring. You sometimes just really want to go in a corner at the window, stand there, stare and just think about things, just be in your own thoughts and not talk, self-reflect. But when you can't smoke and you stand there and you stare at the window, you seem like an anti-social, friendless idiot. But if you stand there and you have a secret in your hand, you become a freaking philosopher. So, you see the difference. So the power of reframing things can't be overstated. You have the same thing, the same activity, the same person, the same situation, the same window. But just a little change in the posture from this to this changes the entire thing. One makes you feel great and another with just a change in the posture makes you feel terrible. So the truth is, things are not what they are. They are what we think they are. Let me prove it to you. And that's what makes the entire difference. So there was an experiment that was done in psychology that shook the entire world of psychology. So there were two dogs, same box, same pain, but completely different lives. You need to listen to this carefully. So here's what happened. So there were two boxes and two dogs were put in two separate boxes and each of them would receive an electric shock from the ground of the box. Basically, the floor of the box was wired for the electric shock and every now and then in every few minutes they would receive a shock in their paws. So here's the difference. The first dog in the first box had a button in the middle of the box. Every time the shock came, if it pressed the button with the nose, the pain stopped instantly. But with the second dog, there was no button, so same shock, same pain, but there was absolutely no way to stop it. Now the results were shocking. Not for the dogs, but for the humans. The first dog, annoyed for sure. Nobody would be happy receiving electric shocks. But largely okay, because it had control. It knew, if the pain come, I can end it. But the second dog, it gave up. It stopped trying, it stopped moving. It laid down, trembling, sliding deeper and deeper into greater depression. Now here's the goosebump moment. The difference wasn't the pain. Both had the same pain. The difference was control. One felt power, the other felt helpless. And here's the truth about us. Sometimes it's not the circumstances that breaks us. It's actually the belief that we have no control over them that breaks us. When you feel powerless, even the small struggle can crush you. But when you know that you can act, even if it's just pressing a metaphorical button, you can endure almost any pain. So maybe what matters more in life is not what life gives us, either shocks or thorns or stones or pebbles, but whether we believe we can do something about it. Have you ever wondered why two people can go through the same exact situation and one comes out broken and one comes out stronger? It is not the willpower, not the talent, not the luck. It's perspective. And the moment you see life differently, you act differently, and life responds very differently. Most people think the problem is the situation, but the truth is the problem is the perspective through which you see the situation. Different perspectives don't change your reality, they change your relationship with the reality, and that's what changes everything. And that's why we bring to you our ultimate show, Different Perspectives Transforms Your Life. So let's come back to where we started. The most important secret trick to improve your life instantly is the difference between perception and perspective. Perception is just your own version of reality, your filter, your story. And here's the truth, your perception gives you no real advantage because it is only yours. And that's why most people waste a lot of energy defending, arguing, blaming, even proving. But the game changes when you go from perception to perspective, when you step out of your own shoes and step into someone else's. Now you're not thinking like you anymore, you are thinking like them. And that's where the power lies. That's the button that you have. That's why we say perspective is power. It's the control that it gives you in your life, where you get the remote control of your life in your hand. And that's what changes everything. In a fight, it ends the fight. In your career, it makes you unbeatable. In your marriage, it builds unshakable love and trust. And with your kids, it changes your legacy. See, everyone else is trapped in their own perception, but the one who masters perspective wins every single time. Since I've talked so much about perspective, let me give you my proven framework, which is SMD, which works every single time to shift your perspective. It's a 3-question framework. First, what story am I telling myself? Second, what else could this mean? Basically, you kind of check whatever meaning have I given, is it serving my life or not? If not, change the meaning, see it differently, step into different perspectives. You will be blown away by what you will receive. And the third one, if I choose that new meaning, how would my life turn around differently? Basically, you see, if I choose this, what's going to be the consequences? How will my life seem after 1 year, maybe after 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years? Just by starting to look at it differently, you will be blown away by what you're actually living and what you can actually live humongously. It works every single time on every single thing in every different spheres. Tried and tested. Just do it. And let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And if you have a better framework, let me know. I would love to implement. One day you will look back at this exact same season of your life, and the way you will remember it won't be determined by what happened to you, but by the perspective you choose to hold. So choose wisely. And if this video gave you even one new perspective, share it with someone who needs it, because one shift in perspective could change their life too. Let's together create a movement of transformation. See you in the next video.